Hello Bring a Trailer fans. I'm going to do a quick walk around of my 1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC that is currently up for auction. Show the overall condition and appearance. As you can see, paint still shines very well even after over 30 years. All of the trim is still in great shape. Very well cared for example, with only a few blemishes here and there, and we'll take a closer look at those in one moment. It does have the AMG appearance package. This was installed at the dealership with the wheels, the front wraparound spoiler, and the rear spoiler. This is a foam rubber rear spoiler that was common back in the day, and it is starting to split and show its age. Another note on this spoiler is the weight of it. The trunk will not stay up due to the weight of the spoiler. Fiberglass replacements are available. Going down the side, there's a few little touch-ups here and there. There's a little scrape right here. Walking around, wheels are in really good shape. Some little nicks here in the body, right here. Has the very desirable front plate filler. Underneath the headlights, there is some little spots where the paint has come off just from regular mileage and wear. The passenger side fender shows the worst. This is a blemish that was caused when the previous owner was changing out the battery and dripped a little bit of water and acid onto the paint. It's another little spot that's been touched up right here. And there's a very, very shallow door ding right here. A note on the wheels, they all match, and there is also a matching spare. Again, this was sold as a package from the dealership when it was brand new. The trunk itself has no flaws. The roof, the same. And the hood is just a small spot right here and right here. All of the paint and panels are believed to be original to the car, and I cannot find any other evidence to suggest otherwise.